how to change your theme of your Instagram depend on your system default. Today guys, I will show you how to turn on this option. Just follow the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is open, as you see his home here, you go down and open your profile. Then you go up at the top of the screen and click on this three line. Then go to settings. Then guys, go to theme. And here you will change it from light or dark to system default and click here like that, and that's it. So for example, if I change my system default, it will change. Look, now it changed like automatically. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel up, and see you next